G'day guys and welcome back to another episode of Vince Venturing.
We're starting today's trip by visiting the oldest tree, the biggest tree. The biggest tree in New South Wales, and it's 400 years old and somewhere around 75 metres tall, I believe.
Yeah.
The circumference at the base of the tree is over 11 metres, so it is huge. And this tree is called the Grandis.
The Grandis, New South Wales, just outside of Bulahdelah. Yeah, on the way to Seal Rocks, which is where we're heading tonight. The weather's a bit drizzly, but it is what it is. We're still getting out. We're still getting out there and having some fun. So let's show you what we can find.
Here's my fact checked just for proof. Here are our stats. There you go. I got something right.
She is big. She's a big girl. I feel like that's acceptable to say.
It's pretty impressive, all the hollows. What do you think of the Grandis?
It's pretty grand. Ginormous.
It's gigantic. I remember coming here when I was younger and just being like, oh, it's a tree. Like,
not just a tree, the biggest tree.
Yeah, it's awesome. I can't guarantee your teenagers will love it though.
So, this is where we are. We are at the Grandis, the big tree. Just off, so Bulahdelah, you come up Lakes Way, turn off. It takes like maybe 10 minutes from Bulahdelah.
Yeah, it was really quick.
It's really close to the freeway. We're going to come back, we're going to continue along Lakes Way, and we're heading out to Yagon in Mole Lakes National Park campground tonight, near Seal Rocks. So that's where we're going to hopefully find a dry patch and set up camp. Should be good, we've never camped there before. So yeah, just here at Yagon. Let's go. Let's go. I think it was just like a landslide. I don't even know why I hit record then. I don't think I got the sound. I swear a tree just fell over. I think it's time to get out.
That was so loud. Look at our beautiful camper. Such a beast. G'day, Russell.
Hurry up or I'll leave you behind.
Let's go.
Let's hope the rain holds out.
Made it to Seal Rocks. Next stop, Sugarpoint
Lighthouse.
Made it to Seal Rocks. Next stop is Sugarloaf Point Lighthouse. Let's go.
Let's go.
It's a little bit steep, but it's worth it. 1875. Fancy seeing you here.
Ah, nice view.
This is an amazing spot in whale season.
Sun's coming out.
Yay! So you can actually stay down here in this cool like lighthouse accommodation. It looks really, really pretty. Maybe next time.
Camping's good.
We're roughing it. Is that a tombstone?
Yeah.
Hmm. Nest.
It's an amazing spot, isn't it? Seal rocks. It's so quiet. It's busy in town, but it's nice down this end because it's a dead end. So no one's down here. I like it. Here comes the rain.
It has been on and off raining all day. Like, we keep going like, oh, should we go set up the tent? And then it starts raining again.
The sun comes out, and right now, I don't know if you can see it, but it looks like it's about to fall down.
We did know full well that it's an East Coast low this weekend, but anyway, we never learn.
And it's raining.
1 minute later, this is like the Instagram versus reality kind of scenario.
Sunny 1 minute, raining the next. It's only water. Forces us to go for a swim. Forces us to go for a swim now.
Beautiful camping weather.
We always pick it.
Love this. It's all part of the adventure. All set up, enjoying a beer, and making making the laziest camp lunch. Bit of penne, bit of pesto, our new fandangled pop-up pot.
Mate, no complaints.
Perfect.
The water is so much colder back around there. I think it's time for Monique to get in.
Nah, I'm still fully clothed. For the record.
Monique has decided to be a mountain goat. Pretty cool rocks though.
So if you come down to this big rock shelf on Submarine Beach, you can find a lot of fossils. So you can see shells, there's things like fish, but it's really cool. So if you take a really close look, they're just everywhere that you look, you see fossils. Now we're going back to the campsite to hang out for the afternoon. It's a bit of a walk to that beach, isn't it? Yeah, it's really pretty too. A frog just jumped on Nick. That was pretty funny. If only I had the camera out. Maybe next time. Oh my god. A turkey's chasing a goanna. What on earth? Oh my god.
Hey, what are you doing? Alright, we'll just leave. Oh no, well, these stupid birds were like picking on it.
There he goes.
Straight through camp.
We've been getting some weird footage lately.
Wow. That's why we sleep on our roof.
I've never been happier to have a rooftop deck. He's coming under. Welcome. Thanks for visiting.
He's got zinc up his cheek.
Plenty of goannas here.
Alrighty guys, that wraps up our episode at Seal Rocks. The weather was pretty average, it still is pretty average, hence why we're doing our sign off in the car. Yeah, campsite was, look, $17 a night. It was pretty expensive for what we got. The toilets were kind of disgusting. It's close to the beach. The main town of Seal Rocks itself was beautiful. The main beach in Seal Rocks is amazing. If you got that on a sunny day, it's absolutely stunning.
Yeah, it's picturesque.
Yeah, definitely worth getting up there and checking it out. But there's a couple of options for accommodation, so do your research and find what's best for you.
Yeah, the best spot is the actual caravan park. It's right on the main beach, and if you want to fork out the dollars, I think personally it's probably worth it just for the location. But yeah, that was us at Seal Rocks. We did have a really great time despite the weather. You guys know what to do. Please like, comment, subscribe, hit the notifications bell because it really helps our channel. And we will
catch you on the next one.